Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the objective questions and answers of the prose, 10th class prose. Which prose? 10th class prose. The name of the prose is At the High School. And those questions and answers are published by Parikha Darpan, BSc Board, Odisha BSc Board, named Parikha Darpan. The name of the book is, Parikha Darpan? Okay. Now let's move to question answer. The name of the prose is At the High School. Multiple choice questions, part 1. Number 1. M.K. Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, is popularly called as Iron Man of India, father of the nation, Chachaji, and D. Netaji. Which is correct? No. Number B, father of nation, Jatiyo Pita. Could understand? Father of the nation.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is 2. Gandhi received his early education, Shiksha, Prathamika Shiksha at a days. Gandhinagar English School, B. Gujarat English School, C. Rajkot English School, D. Ahmedabad English School. So which is correct? C. Rajkot English School. You understand? Thank you. Next one is Gandhi matriculated in the year days. 3. That is C. 1887. Right? Next. Gandhi's autobiography, Atmajivani. Autobiography means Atmajivani. Each days. My experiments with truth, Hind Swaraj, discovery of India, D. India of my dream. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number A.
Number A. Thank you.
Nine.
My experiments with truth. Next one is your Gandhi was not regarded as days at the high school. An intelligent student, a fool, a clever student, an obedient student. Which is correct?
Number B.
Number B, that is a fool. Next one is he always enjoyed the days of his teachers. Could understand? Enjoyed the days of his teachers. Tell me, which is correct? Blessings, love, affection, D. Friendship. Which is correct?
Affection.
Affection.
Number
C.
C is right.
C is correct. Thank you. Yes. Next, 7. What used to be sent to the parents every year? Gifts, B. Gifts, right? Gifts, prizes. That is not a
Prize.
gift. Prizes. That is prizes. Prizes.
G.
Yes, prizes. Certificates of progress, certificate of progress and character. Which is correct? Number D.
Number D.
That is number
D.
D. No, number
Number
D.
D,
Yes, number D.
He is right.
प्रगति पत्र एवं चरित्र प्रमाण पत्र पठा जाउथुला प्रति नंबर 8 he won prizes after he passed out of the DES standard which is third standard, fifth standard, sixth standard, second standard, which is correct? D.
Number
D is correct. Second standard. Next one is in which standard did he obtain scholarships? A. 5th, B. 6th, C. 4th, D. 5th and 6th. Which is correct?
D 50 and the 60.
D. 50 and 60. This one. Okay.
62 like 60. 50, 60.
Okay. Question number 10. He obtained a scholarship of rupees dash when he was in 5th standard. A. 4, B. 10, C. 20, D. 30. Which is correct? Tell. A. 4. 4. Next. Next. 11. Gandhi thanked dash more than his merit. A. His teachers, B. His father, C. God, D. His good luck. Which is correct?
God.
C. God, D. God, his good luck.
D.
His
Is
good. Good luck, D. Right answer is D. Yes. Next one is 12. How did he react whenever he won prizes and scholarships? A. Overjoyed, Anandar Adhira. Overjoyed means proud, Garbita, humble, Namra. D. Astonished. Which is correct? D. Astonished, Ashcharya. Astonished, that is Ashcharya. Se Ashcharya ହେଉଥିଲେ. Because he had not that much talent. Because he had not that much talent. That's why when he won what prizes and scholarships, he was surprised. Next one is that is 13. He did not have high regard for his teachers, B. father, C. friends, D. ability. Which is correct? 13
D.
number D.
Number D.
D is
Ability.
abilities. Next one is he very zealously guarded his days, money, B. books, C. health, D. character. Which is correct? D. character is correct. Could you understand? Yes. Next, question number 15. The least little days would draw tears from his eyes. Draw when Kanutula tears means luha from his eyes. So A. achievement, B. failure, C. insult, D. blemish. So right answer is D.
Number D.
Yes, number D. Okay. Next, 16. In which standard did he receive corporal punishment? Corporal punishment is sharidika danda. That is A. first, B. fifth, C. sixth, D. first and second. Could you understand? Could you understand or not? What did you understand?
Danda upper.
Okay.
Number D is right.
Number
D is right.
Number D is right. Okay. Which is right? Number D is right. Yeah. Which number? 16 number. Number D is right.
Correct.
Okay. Next one is 17. Who was Gandhi's headmaster?
Gandhi's
Yeah, Krishna Shankar Pandey. B. Dorabji Dulji Jimmy. C. Srimad Raj Chandra. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale.
number B.
Gandhi's headmaster Dorabji Dulji Jimmy. Number B. Very peculiar. Dorabji Dulji Jimmy. Right? Next, 18. Mr. Jimmy made days and days compulsory for the boys of upper standard. Upper standard, right? Yes. उच्च श्रेणी पिलामानक ପାଇଁ upper standard means मिस्टर जिमी मेड कंपलसरी बाध्य कर कंपलसरी मीन्स बाध्य करते ए गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स संस्कृत एंड पर्शियन सी जिम्नास्टिक्स एंड क्रिकेट डी योगा एंड मेडिटेशन व्हिच इज करेक्ट टेल मी 18 व्हिच इज नंबर सी नंबर सी दैट इज जिम्नास्टिक्स एंड क्रिकेट राइट थैंक यू नेक्स्ट वन okay I shall do it wait right next one is what was the reason for his aloofness एकुटिया दूर की रहिबाटा from games and sports A humility B weakness C shyness D lack of interest which is correct number C is correct shyness तंगर लाज कुलाव okay next one is
Yes.
20 he had the false notion that he had a false notion that this had nothing to do with education right so which is correct A cricket B games C sports D gymnastic
Gymnastic.
yeah gymnastic is correct thank you next one is 21 what was Gandhi's later views on gymnastic view दृष्टिकोण later परवर्ती दृष्टिकोण Yes. Later views on gymnastic. Could understand? Gymnastics should be included in curriculum. Should be included in a curriculum. So B. Gymnastics is very important for what? For what? Okay. Which is correct? A. Gymnastics should be included in curriculum. Gymnastics is very important for students. C. Physical training should have as much place in the curriculum as mental training. D. Gymnastics should be made for boys of upper standard.
Number C is
number
right.
Yes. Number C is correct. Okay. Next one is that is 22. What was the special reason for his dislike for games and sports? His service to his father, his shyness, lack of interest in games and sports, his excess interest in other subjects. Which is correct? Number B is correct. 22. Number number A is correct, right? Number A is correct. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Next one is 23. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. What does the underlined expression mean? A. Service towards his country. B. Service towards his father. C. Service towards his teacher. D. Service towards his family. So right answer is B. I think
Number
B.
Number B
Yes,
is
thank you.
service to his father.
Right. Thank you. Next one is that is 24. On which day was Gandhi late for gymnastic class? Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, and Saturday. Which is correct? Tell me.
Saturday.
Yes, that is Saturday. Thank you. That's like a good boy.
Good boy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Saturday.
Next one is 25. I had no match and the days. I had no watch and the days. What did I say? Days. Yes, days deceived me. ठकी देला. What? Time. B. Sky. C. Light. D. Clouds. Which is correct?
Number D.
D is correct. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Yeah.
Klaus.
Next, who marked Gandhi absent while examining the roll? He is a physical education teacher, he is a headmaster, he is a Sanskrit teacher, he is a Persian teacher. Which is correct? Tell me. 26.
26.
Yeah,
Number
20
B.
B. He is headmaster.
He's headmaster.
Yes. 27. How much money was Gandhi fined for not attending a gymnastics class? A. 1 annas, B. 2 annas, 3 1 or 2 annas and 4 annas. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number C.
27. That is 27. Number C. That is 1 or 2 annas. Okay. Wait. 28. Gandhi was convicted of this cheating, lying, swindling, misbehaving. Cheating means ठकिबा, lying means मिछ कहबा, swindling means money आत्मसात करिबा, misbehaving दुर्व्यवहार करिबा. So right answer is lying. मिछ कहबारे अभियुक्त होई गले. मिछुआ. Next one is okay. Next one is
20.
tell me. Yes, 29. That deeply pained me. What does the underlined expression mean? A. False accusation as a liar. मुख्य अभियुक्त. B. Corporal punishment शारीरिक दंड. C. Fine of 1 or 2 annas. The kindness of Sanskrit teacher. Which is correct? Tell me. 29.
29.
Yes. Tell
Number
me.
A.
A is correct. Next one is your, that is 30. Gandhi cried in deep. A. Insult, lajja. B. Pain, kashta. Anguish, jantrana. Embarrassment birakta. So correct answer is deep anguish. That is manasika jantrana. Yes.
Number C.
Next one is 30. Gandhi finally succeeded in getting the fine. A. Paid. B. Granted. C. Remitted. Chhada. Remitted means chhada. D. Cancelled. Batil. So correct answer is remitted.
Number C.
C. Yes. 32. I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. Neglect means abhala. What does the underlined expression mean? A neglect of gymnastics, neglect of cricket, neglect of handwriting, neglect of health. I
Number
think
C.
number C is correct. Thank you. Next one is, that is, what was his false notion about handwriting? A. Good handwriting was a necessary part of education. B. Bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of an imperfect education. C. Children should learn handwriting only after they have learned to draw objects. D. Good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. And which is correct? Tell me.
Number D.
Number D. Good handwriting was not a necessary. No. You are wrong. 33. Yes, 33. What was his false notion about handwriting? Good handwriting was a no. Bad handwriting should be. Children should learn. Good handwriting was not a necessary. Oh, number D. Okay. Okay. Yes. Next one is, what is the next one? Wait.
34.
Okay. With this, that is the end of today's English class. We shall discuss the other objective questions of the prose at the high school in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.
Oh.